Hi everyone, this is one of our dessert for Thanksgiving. That's all my ingredients there. So to a bowl, I added 1 pack of French vanilla pudding, 1 tin of carnation milk, and I mix it. And then I added 1 block of cream cheese, 1 tin of condensed milk. I also mix it. And then I use 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I mix it. And then I added 1 pint of Cool Whip, the 8 ounce, and I also mix it. And then I slice the banana and use half a lemon, squeeze it on the banana to prevent it from turning brown. So that I pour it in a bowl, use the chessman cookies. I repeated that like 3 times and put it in the freezer for overnight, and this is how it turned out the next day. Thanks for watching.